Hey guys, it's Corey B, and I am going to change the battery on my Roomba and replace it with a new one in like 2 minutes, so stay with me here. So here is the Roomba that's not doing its job anymore. I started to notice that it wasn't cleaning the floors as much, and then one day before I started it, it actually drove for 2 minutes and then it said low battery, which was surprising because it'd been on the charger for like 2 days. That pointed me in the direction of doing some research on batteries, and this one is probably 4.5 years old, so it's time to replace its battery. There are 5 screws, 4 of them are really obvious. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, and then the 5th one is on this little brush. My battery replacement that I got on Amazon comes with some new brushes too, so we're going to replace that. And if you don't know what model your battery is, or your Roomba is, this is where mine is listed right here. It's a 655. The Amazon listing that I bought, More Pilot iRobot X-Life Extended Battery, and it is compatible with 5, 6, 7, 8, 900 series robots. So mine's a 655, so mine's in the 600 series, and it comes with 2 brushes, so that'll work just fine for this. If you're not comfortable using a battery drill like this, then just use a handheld so you don't strip any of your screws. You need a Phillips and maybe a straight edge on this one, but you can get by with a smaller Phillips too on this 5th screw. So let's just open this up. If you have a handheld vacuum, it's also great to get one of those handy because so much dust and debris comes out of this when you open it up. This is the battery that we're going to replace. There is nothing holding it in except for this shield right here. As you can see, there's 4 points of contact on the back, and it's got this little bump out right here, so then make sure you put it the right way. It will not fit the other way, so that's great. Here's my new battery. The only difference here is the name brand. As you can see, iRobot compared to More Pilot. So we drop this in the same exact way. You see it's got the 4 contacts right here. See, there you go, it starts right up. Once you drop it in, it should start right up. The replacement brushes here does not come with a screw, so you need to pop this screw out from your old one. Put that aside. This fits right back how it was. Now just don't tighten them too much. Just be real careful not to strip your screws. And then this has a little hexagonal bolt on it here that you gotta turn until it fits in there. Make sure this is spinning well, make sure this whole case is screwed down evenly. There you go, that's it. This is like the easiest repair I've ever done.